All right, friends. We've taken the carb out and replaced, we've cleaned the jets, the idle jet, the pilot jet. So that's the second time we've had it out this week. But the first time we replaced the gaskets, between the carbs, it was leaking. No longer leaking, but it wasn't running. It would die with any throttle. So hopefully that's been fixed. It also would not run without the choke. So it is cold out, so it'll have to warm up for a minute. But eventually it should run without the choke. Here we go. Moment of truth. Key, run, choke to start. We gotta turn the gas on. That's very important. That will help. That, as you say, normally does help, having the gas turned on. Vacuum lines are all in there. Yeah, now this may take a minute. It may take a couple cranks because the carbs are empty, but here she goes. No sweat. Make sure the gas is on. It is on. Yes, sir. Just give it a second. Gas is on. That fuel line is making a little bit of a corner there, but that's okay. That's how it normally is. Vacuum line's on there. I haven't forgot the run switch. Nope, it's in run. Okay. Oh yeah, here she goes. Here she goes. Nearly.